This is Summer Huntington of Steel Mace Vinyasa and FlowShala. Today we're talking about Kinesiolyoga and why yoga needs load to be a complete training system. In our last video, we talked about shoulder stability and shoulder strength with the mace in a modified side flag position. The next progression is to extend the arm in a full side flag position with full fascial tension running through the arm. This is important in positions where the arms are in extension, such as a warrior two. So I'll place my feet in a warrior two position. The front foot is pointed out. The back foot is almost perpendicular, but slightly pulled in. I can start with my mace in a modified side flag, and the goal is to eventually extend the arm into a full side flag so that my shoulder has both stability and strength in this posture. The result will be that my lats will be firing in the posture, my deep inner core will be firing as well, and I can get more power and more ground recruitment within the pose. First, you must learn this from a straight mountain pose, standing on 2 feet. The feet are hip distance apart, and you'll remember before, the mace starts in a prayer position. You can go into full side flag from side flag here by leveraging the globe of the mace slightly in. And once you reach full arm extension, you'll want to recruit that scapular depression action until your lat is turned on and firing. Very critical to keep just the smallest micro bend in the arm as you extend the load here. So the 2 actions we're looking for are external rotation, turning a jar is a good way to think about it, and scapular depression. Imagine like jabbing a shovel into earth. And I use that task-oriented cueing to initiate the action. I'm turning a jar or turning keys in a lock, and I'm jabbing a shovel into the ground, and all the while I'm recruiting my core and my glutes at the same time. I can start here, modified side flag, perform my mace switch, which we learned in a previous video, and then I'm looking for maximum time under tension. So I want to recruit my lat early on as I press the mace away. You'll notice here I'm choking up and holding in the mid grip of the mace to allow for that full activation of my lat. This then applies to our warrior two. You can start in the same arm position, the modified side flag, now just inserting the yoga pose here. Imagine you have a mace in your opposite hand, full fascial tension in the entire shoulder girdle, and then extend your arm out and put your mind literally in your lats here. Full fascial tension the entire time, lower body and the upper body and the deep inner core. To switch sides, straighten the leg, pivot the toes in, set the legs up first, 2 hands on the club, then externally rotate the club into a modified side flag position. When you feel the lat engage and you can feel it firing, slowly with control, start to extend your mace out to the full side flag and hit the bottom of your warrior two position here. Now you know how to load your warrior two position with full lat activation. This will provide you with strength and stability within the shoulder socket, and it will fortify your yoga poses when you take the load away.